Hello friends, this is Rajesh Agrawal, co-founder Aasaan ERP. So this is one of the video under Founders series where I will be going through all the modules. I'll be explaining you everything about Aasaan ERP one by one, how you can make your enterprise great using Aasaan ERP. Why don't you have to spend, years or maybe months in implementing any ERP. You don't have to be so much complex, even if your enterprise is, maybe a few $1 million or to $1 billion company, whatever it is. we, Aasaan ERP can easily accommodate your complete business operations end to end. So we'll be going in detail in all those things one by one. For today's topic is basically around the multi-company management, because if you are a big enterprise, you must be managing, multiple companies, and these companies could belong to different countries as well, different taxation system, different kind of compliances and all that you have to manage. So today I'll be giving you a bit of brief, how you can manage it and basically how this works within Aasaan ERP. So as you can see, this is the standard dashboard. To start with, let me just basically customize few things for you. Let me just hide few things for now, which we may not need for now. For example, CRM, purchase, sales. Let me just hide services, distributions. Okay, I think enough for now. So as you can see, if we go, as you can see, this is the accounting part where you can manage the finance and everything. Let's go to the masters. Here basically we go and manage all the companies. So as you can see, these many companies I'm managing under the one enterprise. So if you want, you can always go here and add new company. Let me just show you by, I have just put a limitation on the number of companies over here. So I'll just show you for example, I've just taken an example of one of the company. You can put which country it belongs to, the state. Also you can select, you can upload your logo and stamp and everything. So this is just about creating so this is a simple word. And in case you want to update more details, you can go to the full view. In full view, there are multiple things that you need to work on, like company name, company code, the tax number, and other things around it. So there are multiple things that you can work with, and as you can see, sequence number format, detail page field, marketing. So I mean, you can basically set up a company, you can set up the chart of accounts around that company, the finance book in case you have certain compliances like the distribution is, for example, the 60% belongs to this company, a certain other percentage belong to other company. So all those things you can manage. So once you have created these companies, then as you can see on the top, you can see all the companies which belongs to it. So if you go to, let's say, all companies, it will ask you, let me go to all companies, and if you go to all companies, then basically this dashboard, it will actually show you everything, like the consolidated view of all your reports, the financial reports, the accounting reports, or any other reports that you see. And if you go in each module one by one, then basically it will show the consolidated data of all the companies, whatever it is. Now if you want to go for a specific company, then you can select a particular company over here. It will ask you to change. If you want to change, then you can see over here there are few data that we have not shown like on purpose for now, but all these things on this dashboard and everything, and even on the left side, everything will change as per you have changed the company from the top. So this is a custom dashboard. You can create your own dashboard. This is a completely business intelligence tool which you can work with the way you work with Power BI, Tableau, or some other business intelligence tool. In the similar fashion, you can work here. Once you have set up these companies, now not only companies, these companies, as I told you, they can belong to different countries as well, and different taxation system you can set up. I'm not going in detail how to set up this taxation system and all. Just telling you like you can manage within different countries, different taxation system. Also, you can have multiple branches under each company, and these branches could have their own tax number, their own compliances and everything, and accordingly you can also change this one. You can have your own branches having their own data. Uh, and you can have multiple warehouses, multiple plants. So it's like you can have multiple companies, you can have multiple currencies, you can have multiple warehouses, you can have multiple branches. And on top of that, we have access management framework in place, which will basically allow you to have access level at company level, branch level, warehouse level, module level, document level, data level, as deep as you want to go. So you can have this access management even at the data level. For example, a particular customer you don't want to show to a particular employee, let's say, or a particular person. So at that level you can go. So this is how you can manage the multiple companies. Of course, when you going to implement it, there are certain configurations around compliances that you need to configure once, that our team or our partners that will basically help you to achieve this. But this is just a small video to showcase the capabilities that what it can do if you are a bigger enterprise and managing a lot of companies together, and you really want to look into the total profit and loss, what your balance sheet is showing overall, and all that stuff. Hope you liked it. If you want to go in detail for everything, you can always get in touch with our team. Thank you.